Some of them travel the world and get paid 35 plus bucks an hour.
We have a great turnout for our annual Spooktacular. Anybody from the public can come and find out what career and technical education is all about.
Hey, would y'all guys like to try award-winning pulled pork? Being in the culinary arts program has really helped me find who I am. I think joining this program has been the best thing of my high school year. I'm in the cosmetology program with Miss Lomas. We do beauty enhancement, nails, makeup, hair. Learning how to work with all of these different types of, ingredients has, really made a big change in my life because my family is really big on cooking. So it really does warm my heart to be here.
So as a senior, you do take your state board exam, which means once you pass, you do get licensed. So starting right off the bat, as soon as you're a senior, you could work at a nail salon, a hair salon.
I hope they take away information and options for their children, and that they realize that they don't have to necessarily go into a traditional area. That's always available. I went that route, went to a four-year college, and then further graduate studies, but that's not for everybody. And you can make a very good career with comparable salary in a CTE career.